Hello, friend. Here's a thought for today. Life is not about the people who are sincere in front of you. It's about those who are honest behind you. Let's dive into it, why this matters, and how to recognize the people who truly have your back, and how you can focus on building relationships that stand the test of honesty. Stick around. This will change how you view the people in your life. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, a designer, a poet, and an artist, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So, the difference between sincerity and honesty. We all know people who are sweet and sincere to your face. They say all the right things and make us feel good. But sincerity doesn't always equal to honesty. Honesty is what happens when you're not around. It is when someone stands up for you in a room full of critics or defends you and your name when others try to tear you down. Let me ask you, how many people in your life do you truly believe would defend you behind your back? Drop a number in the comments. I'm sure it's an eye-opening, isn't it? Well, I've experienced both sides of this. There was a time I trusted someone who seemed so sincere to me, only to find out later they were saying hurtful things behind my back. It broke my heart. But on the flip side, I also discovered friends who defended me in my absence without me even knowing. That's when I realized the difference between the people who like the idea of me and people who truly care about me. And here's the lesson. It's not about having a large circle of people who seem nice. It's about finding the few who are honest and loyal when you're not there to hear it. So, how do you identify these people? The honest people. Here are 3 ways to identify the people who are honest behind your back. Do they defend others when they are not around? That's a good sign. They'll do the same for you. Test small moments. Share a concern or a story and see how they handle it. Does it stay between you and that person, or does it become gossip? Look at their consistency. True honesty is consistent. It doesn't waver, depending upon who's in the room. It's also important to be that person for others. Stand up for your friends and colleagues when they are not there. That's how you build trust, and that's how you build respect in any relationship. At the end of the day, life is about surrounding yourself with people who are honest behind your back. It is not about the size of your circle. It's about the strength of the bonds within it. Take a moment today to thank those people who have been there for you, even when you didn't know it. And if this message resonated, like, share, and subscribe for more reflection on life and relationships. Till then, I love you. I believe in you. See you in the next video. Take care and keep smiling.